So for the last video of dry January, I'm going to be talking about quick opening devices. Now with a dry sprinkler system, one thing that's important is water delivery time. So we know that it's going to take a certain amount of time to drain the pressurized air or nitrogen out of the system through the operated sprinkler to then activate the dry pipe valve and get water into the system and then out the sprinkler. So there are some things you could do to help speed up that water delivery. One thing is to use a quick opening device. Now there's two types of quick opening devices. One is an exhauster and one is an accelerator. So exhausters, typically they'll notice a drop in air pressure and then they just open up a large orifice and just keep dumping air pressure out of a system. Now these aren't manufactured anymore, but you might see them on older systems. What's more common now is going to be an accelerator. And what an accelerator does is it essentially connects the system air pressure to the intermediate chamber on the dry valve. And what it does is when it senses a drop in air pressure, it will open up and allow system air pressure to go into the intermediate chamber. What that does is it negates the differential ratio of a dry pressure valve and allows it to essentially open right up, because dry pipe valves operate on a differential ratio. So say a dry pipe valve might take 1 psi of air to hold back 6 psi of water. And it does that essentially through the size of the clapper and how much air is on the clapper versus how much water is on the clapper. The differential, what the accelerator does is it essentially adds pressure to the water side of the clapper and negates that differential pressure, the differential ratio, and allows it to open up quicker. So that's an example of a quick opening device that you might have on a dry pipe valve that you would install to either meet the needed water delivery time, or if you're a small enough system and you have a quick opening device, so say if you're under 750 gallons and you have a quick opening device, you don't have to pay attention to water delivery time. So if you look below, 825, Section 825 of NFPA 13 talks about quick opening devices. If you look in the enhanced content, there's actually a video here, goes over a lot of the detail on what a quick opening device is. I'm going to actually show, just at the end of the video, shows the operation of the quick opening device. So you see here that sprinkler is going to discharge air. The system air pressure is going to drop. And then this is the quick opening device here. The air pressure is going to drop in there, and then the air is going to move into that intermediate chamber and allow that clapper to open quicker and allow water to discharge out that sprinkler system. So that's an example of a quick opening device. Now, if you're interested in learning more about sprinkler system design, I'm going to go ahead and link a blog down below that goes over, an introduction to the design area calculation method. So go ahead and give that a watch. And I just want to say I appreciate you guys following along for the dry January series. Now I will continue to post videos, probably not 2 videos a week. But I will be posting some more videos on things probably once a week or so. So keep an eye out for those coming. Thank you very much.